System overview. The Maxdisplay system, MDS, integrates multiple flight and engine data sets to be shown on 4 LCD display units, DUs for the flight crew. Key features. Integrated functions. Displays, air data, inertial reference, navigation, flight mode enunciations, engine parameters. Optional, brake temp, tire pressure, flight control surface positions, flight deck entry video. Reliability. High-integrity software with functional isolation. Redundancy. Dual display processor computers, DPCs. Either can drive all 4 DUs. Display management. Automatic and manual display reconfiguration via control panels. Byte. Built-in test equipment fault data presented on MDS maintenance pages. Desktop computer, display components and layout. System hardware includes 2 display processor computers, DPCs. 4 display units, DUs. 2 EFIS control panels. 1 multifunction panel. 2 lighting control modules. 1 instrument switching module. Display assignment, typical layout. Display unit normal display type. Left outboard, LOB, primary flight/mini map. Left inboard, LIB, navigation/engine indication. Right inboard, RIB, navigation/engine indication. Right outboard, ROB, primary flight/mini map. Compass control panels. FE's control panel. Controls PFD and D modes, weather radar, VOR/ADF, TCAS, metric altitude, etc. Multifunction panel, MFP. Selects MFD mode, controls fuel flow data, moves engine indication display, cursor control. Lighting control module. Brightness control and manual DU reassignment. Instrument switching module. Overrides source DPC and EFIS panel control. Left/right side switching. Airplane display modes. Primary flight display, PFD. Located on outboard DUs. Shows airspeed, attitude, barometric/radio altitude, vertical speed, flight mode, lateral/vertical deviation. Mini map. Heading, selected heading, flight plan, TAS, GS, TCAS, WXR terrain. Approach display app. Full screen, 140 degrees compass rose, or half screen, 60 degrees. Includes ILS info. LOC/GS deviations, DME, heading wind. VLAR display. Full or half screen, center or expanded view. Shows VLAR deviation scale/bar, station ID, selected course, bearing, DME, GSTS. Map mode. Center/expanded view, full or half screen. Displays. Aircraft track, waypoints, NAV aids, vertical path, weather, terrain, TCAS, WXR. Map mode with VSD. Adds vertical situation display to map. VSD shows aircraft altitude, selected altitude/VS, terrain, VNAV path, runway. Plan mode, PLN. North-up view of flight plan with current FMC track and position. Wrench engine indication display, EI. Normally shown on an inboard DU, backup on outboard if failure. Shows engine data, N1, N2, EGT, oil pressure/temp/quantity, fuel flow, vibration. System info, crew alerts, flap position, fuel quantity, TAT, thrust mode. Declutter mode. Hides less critical parameters like N2 and oil data. Hammer and wrench systems display. Accessed via MFD, sys button on MFP. Displays. Hydraulic quantity/pressure, brake temp, tire pressure, flight control surfaces. Toolbox maintenance interface. MDS maintenance pages. Pages include brightness settings, DPC inputs/outputs, FE's control panel test, system configuration, onboard network system ONS, server-based system supports, data collection, storage, analysis, fault reporting, engine health monitoring, e-enabling, connectivity and software management. Key components: network file server, NFS, wireless LAN units, SATCOM, flight deck printer, maintenance/byte panel, P61, onboard maintenance function, OMF, access through MFD and P61 tabber device. Main menus: line maintenance, flight deck effects, ground tests, fault guidance, extended maintenance, fault history, system configuration. Other functions, special functions only. Laptop computer portable maintenance device, PMD. Laptops or tablets that interface with the MDS/ONS. Provides access to full maintenance menus and additional apps. Use for system configuration, data loads, monitoring and testing, Download Manager. Airplane ID and Crew Access Management. Computer Disk Loadable Software Airplane Parts, LSAP. Two-stage loading process. Stage 1. PMD uploads software to the airplane, typically to NFS. Stage 2. NFS loads the data to the target LRU via a RINC 429 or a RINC 615A Ethernet. Common LSAPs. FMC NAV data, 28-day cycle. EGPWS Terrain Database, 60-day cycle.